So what I need to do now is to go back here and carry on with the installation of Steam. So some information there about Steam in case you didn't know what it was and what's required, and we can start building the packages for Steam. Okay, and install it. That's done. libgpg error. Okay, I'll install that now. And that's complete. So let's tidy that up. Right, so what I'm going to do, Steam's next, is I'm going to install that actually in the graphical environment, because it does come up with graphical windows and so on. I'll just check that this is set before I leave this. And it's not set. I thought I'd already set that. Right, that entails a few hours of compiling. So unfortunately I have to do that now. I'm not sure why that wasn't set, as it should have been. Anyway, so I'll have to get that running now. So I need to become the root, because the kernel's owned by the root. In sources, Linux, make menu, config. And go into general setup, look for namespace support. Where is that? Yeah, everything's set except for that one for some reason. So I think this causes a big rebuild, unfortunately. But we'll see. So let's start that building. Let's just keep an eye on it for a few minutes and get an idea of if it is going to build the lot or not. So that's 144 minutes. I think it was about 153 when I compiled the kernel from scratch. So it's done nearly all of it, but obviously not a complete build. So what I'm going to do is to put this into the system. Right. So I need to replace this one here. So CP Arch i386 system.map to boot system.map 6.13.4 GLFS and the config. And install the modules. Okay, so what I'll do is, as I say, I'll reboot and in the next video you'll see me at the console of the Pentium 4 machine, and I'll use links to get this page up and just copy and paste from links to build Steam and then run Steam from there. See how well it runs. Like I said before, I'm expecting the GUI not to work, so I'll have to install the Xorg drivers from GLFS, but that shouldn't take too long. Steam doesn't take long because it's basically just installing a binary, and then the bit that takes longer is running that binary, and then Steam downloads its stuff as it installs itself.